I'm Sarah. I was just sent this 21.5 quart canning set. This thing is really nice because it's stainless steel, so it'll work on all sorts of different cooking surfaces. And it's a nice big pot. 21.5 quart is huge. And the best thing, it's got a nice see-through lid so you can see what's happening in there as far as canning. I always like to check and see, make sure the water is boiling so I can start my timer. Well, this has a timer built in on the top. You don't have to go set this timer anywhere. You just turn it and you start to hear that click. And then whenever it's done, it goes off. So there's our lid. It also comes with our canning lifter. So you can then put our jars in the bottom of here and lifter. And it's got this nice heat resistant grip on the side here as well. So we can just place we've got quart jars in here as an example. It's got a nice little edge here for your fingers. So you can then put that in there and hold that down. And then we can just put our lid on there. Since it's an angled lid, it holds plenty of space underneath there. And then you are ready to go. And you've got some nice sturdy handles on the side. This thing is going to be great for canning, and I'm really looking forward to using it during the canning season. Getting a little closer look at it. This thing is 13 inches high by 17 inches in diameter. And then our canning rack over here is 12 inches. And you can see that heat resistant grip right there with a nice curve. And I really like those curves because your fingers just fit right in there. So that is really nice. It comes with this little cleaning cloth that has a little holder so you can just easily hang it up and be able to grab it real easy. And then our lid with our timer on here. So you just take the timer and set it to whatever you need to set it at. And that will then go off. But this is just a really nice set. It's got a little bit of a design on the edge. And I really like this canning set.